Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to back up WhatsApp chats. Why would you want to know how to back up WhatsApp chats? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to back up WhatsApp chats. So today I am going to show you how to back up WhatsApp chats. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Backing up chats on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. It is also very important to back up your important chats. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. Here at the top right corner, you are seeing three dots. Click on it. Now select settings. Now you are seeing different options. Click on chats. Here at the bottom, you are seeing chat backup. Click on it. Click on backup. Your messages are backing up. There you go. If you wanted to know how to back up WhatsApp chats, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.